In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change X and Y sensitivity in BlueStacks 5. This feature is especially useful for shooting games that rely on precise aiming, such as Free Fire, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty Mobile. Adjusting these settings can greatly enhance your gameplay experience, so let's dive right in. First, you will want to open BlueStacks 5. When you do this, you should see the familiar BlueStacks home screen. This is your gateway to accessing all your favorite mobile games on a larger screen. By launching BlueStacks, you set the stage for customizing your gaming experience. It's important to ensure that you are running the latest version for optimal performance. Next, launch your preferred shooting game. As the game loads, you'll be excited to jump into the action. Ensure that your game is fully loaded before proceeding. This step is crucial because you want to make adjustments while the game is active. Each game may have different control settings, so getting into the game helps you see the changes in real time. Once your game is up, locate the Game Controls icon, which looks like a keyboard, on the right side toolbar. Clicking this icon opens the Game Controls menu, where you can find various settings to enhance your gameplay. This menu is essential because it houses key features that allow you to customize controls according to your preferences. In the Game Controls menu, look for the Mouse Sensitivity section. Here you will find the options for adjusting your X and Y sensitivity. This is a pivotal moment because fine-tuning these settings can significantly impact how you aim and shoot in games. Adjusting these values helps you find the right balance for your aiming style. Now focus on adjusting the values for Mouse Sensitivity X and Mouse Sensitivity Y. The X controls your horizontal mouse movement, while the Y controls vertical movement. This means you can dictate how quickly your aim moves left and right versus up and down. It's crucial to find the right sensitivity that feels comfortable for you, as it can affect your accuracy in-game. You can use the up and down arrows to change the values or simply type your preferred numbers. This flexibility allows for a more tailored experience. If you prefer quick adjustments, using the arrows is convenient. If you know your ideal settings, typing them in saves you time. Remember, a higher value increases sensitivity, while a lower value decreases it. Once you've made your adjustments, close the menu. Your changes will be applied immediately, allowing you to jump back into your game without any delays. This instant application ensures that you can quickly test your new settings and make further adjustments if necessary. You will notice a difference in how your character responds to your movements right away. Now, let's move on to the second method. Open BlueStacks 5 once again. Similar to the first method, you'll want to ensure you are at the BlueStacks home screen. This keeps the workflow consistent and allows for easy navigation. Launch your game again as before. Once it is loaded, you will be ready to access more specific controls. This step is necessary for delving deeper into customization. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and A together or right-click the Game Controls icon to select the controls editor. This opens up a more detailed interface where you can manipulate your controls even further. Accessing the controls editor is crucial for gamers who want precise control over their settings. In the controls editor, find the Aim, Pan, and Shoot control. Here you will see the options for adjusting mouse sensitivity X and mouse sensitivity Y values directly. This allows for deeper customization than the previous method. You have the power to tweak these values to your liking, ensuring they fit your gameplay style perfectly. Alternatively, click the gear icon or right-click the control to open Advanced Settings. Under Properties, you can edit the mouse sensitivity X and mouse sensitivity Y values. This additional access to advanced settings allows for even finer control of your sensitivity adjustments. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. This action finalizes your settings, ensuring they are stored for future gaming sessions. It's a small but critical step that guarantees your adjustments are not lost. In summary, mouse sensitivity X determines how quickly your view moves left and right, while mouse sensitivity Y does the same for up and down. For example, if X is set to 1.0 and Y to 1.0, you will have equal sensitivity for both movements. However, setting X to 1.0 and Y to 2.0 means vertical movement is twice as fast as horizontal. Finding the right balance can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Now you are equipped to change your X and Y sensitivity in BlueStacks 5 effectively. Enjoy your gaming,